I would argue that what I'm going to say in today's video is the best way to get rich online. And that's what all these top creators are doing. You know, we have Hamza, who's teaching people how to become Adonis, basically, is what he calls it. And like Iman Ghanzi, and also Andrew Tate. They're all using this method. And I think it's very important for you guys to understand what the word synthesis means. Now, I'm not talking about photosynthesis, but I'm talking about synthesis in the terms of learning information and then having a skill, having a lot of skills that you can teach. Now, I'm going to go over all that in this video, but first I just want to provide examples of people that actually scaled their business using this method. So let me start off by talking about my business partner. Now, his name is Hassan, and what he did is he created a YouTube channel on information that he knew. So what he knows how to do is how to scale people's businesses using organic content. And that's also what I know here, so that's why we're business partners. And he was able to scale his YouTube channel, actually, just below 1,000 subscribers. And with just below 1,000 subscribers, he made $40,000. And let that sink in. He actually made $40,000 with under 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So you don't have to be famous for this to work. Alright, so I have Hassan's text right here. And a few weeks ago, he actually texted me. So I'm going over that here. And what he said was, he got 5,600 views total on his channel within the first couple of months. And then he got, out of that, he got 23 booked calls. So this is like a marketing sales call where he basically goes over what he can do for your business. Alright, so out of those 23 calls, he is very good at sales. So he got a 56% close rate, which is absolutely insane. But even if you're the worst closer, you could at least get 20% of all booked meetings. You could close at least 20% even if you're a bad closer. So like I said, he's selling to you how to create content and how to build a personal brand and scale your business, just like I'm selling here on this channel. So he got 23 booked meetings. You know, that's people that are interested in his business. And then he closed 56%. So times 56%, that means he got 12 clients just from this. 12 clients. Now, this might seem like not that many to some of you out there, but his service ranges from $6,000 to $12,000, okay? So even if we just go on the low end here, he got 12 clients with that. That's the facts, that's the statistics. So he got 12 clients times 6,000. That means he made $72,000 just with his YouTube channel. Okay, and that's with less than 1,000 subscribers. It's super important for you guys to just synthesize this information, whatever it is that you're good at. It could be your current business right now. You could already have a business. But if you don't, it could literally be anything, okay? There's this other person that I stumbled across a few days ago, and they actually teach people how to surf. Now, I like to surf, so that's probably why it popped up on my feed. Now, this is on Instagram. And what it is they teach people how to surf just by doing online classes. And in their bio, it said that they have 7,600 students. And I believe they had like 30,000, 40,000 followers on Instagram. So with that, so say each of their clients are paying, let's just, honestly, we could even say on the low end, say each of their clients are only paying $5 a month. Okay, that is very low. Now, trust me, learning how to surf is usually more than $5. So I'm just going on the complete low end. But say it's $5 every month. That means they're making $38,000. And that's if it's $5. But let's be slightly more realistic and actually say that they're charging, let's say, $40 a month. Now, I'm not sure if their price point is per month. It could be per class. This is not very accurate. These aren't people that I know, so I can't back this up. But say that they have 7,600 students and they're charging $40 per student a month. It could be per class, like I said. That means they're making $304,000 per month or per class, whatever it is. That's if they're charging $40. Okay, so that's why it's super important to learn a skill and then sell it. And it's not scamming people. Of course, you don't want to scam people. This is people that are fully interested. Now, if I did want to learn how to surf, getting an online class would be absolutely great, and I would definitely pay $40 a month to learn how to surf. I have to say it is usually more expensive than $40 a lesson. Let's just say it's $40 a lesson. They're making that much money. So that's really good money, all right? So now let's move that on to your business. Okay, you have a business, or you have an idea, you have a skill, whatever it is. The best way to sell this skill or your business, the best way to actually get clients or sales for your business is by leveraging organic content. Now that's what I'm doing here on my YouTube channel, and I'm also doing it on my Instagram. Now, you should definitely do this in a very strategic way, but it's very important to just get started. Now, it's totally better to get started today than a month down the line. You'll regret it, because on this channel I almost post every day right now. So that means I would have 30 videos by the end of the month. So I'm definitely glad that I got started when I got started, because now I have almost 1,000 subscribers. This is how these people are making money online, and it's how we're doing it here as well. What you should take away from this video is how to synthesize information and then put it into organic content, and then of course sell something. But it's not just selling something. Of course, you want to provide value with your organic content as well. And like I showed you, you don't need 1 million subscribers or 1 million followers for this to work. You know, Hassan, my business partner, he's making $70,000 with just around 1,000 subscribers. These numbers that you can scale to are absolutely insane, and it depends on your business model, of course, but you can easily scale anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 a month with this business model. And I say $100,000 a month, but that's just if you're starting. Honestly, you can scale to millions of dollars a month, and even 10 millions of dollars every single month. And an example of this is actually Andrew Tate. So what he does is, obviously, you know, he's all over the internet. He doesn't have exactly his own YouTube channel. Of course, he got banned. And same with Instagram. He doesn't have his own accounts. But he's out there. He's recording content. He's making content. Now he is very famous. So this is actually a very unique strategy that he took, because he started off by posting himself, but now he has all these YouTube channels giving him podcasts, and he's taking these opportunities. He's not taking every podcast, okay? He can choose what podcast he wants to take because he has a lot of money. But he's choosing the best podcast to go on, and he's making money this way through his course that he's selling for $50 a month. Now, since he has all these people that want to buy it, he can sell it for $50 a month, which is a low price point. And he's still making millions of dollars every single month just with this. Another example is Hamza. Now, like I said earlier, he's teaching people how to be Adonis, and he has this school community. Now, this is a very good way to go about making money online and building a personal brand, is building a school community. So, it's basically a community, and it could be paid. In Hamza's case, it actually is paid. I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now of how his school community is going right now. But if you multiply the number of people that he has in the community with the price of the community, which I believe is $150 a month, he's making $220,000. Okay? I remember that he's making $220,000 a month just with this community. Now, of course, he does have a high following on YouTube, but this is 100% attainable for yourself as well. And like I said earlier, you don't have to. It's not mandatory. It is optional. And of course, the more followers you make, the more money that you could potentially make, because money is attention. Or should I say, attention is money. In the modern world, attention equals money. So if you can just get attention, let's say the most popular singer out there right now, imagine they just asked everyone, all of their fans, for just $1, okay? And they have millions and millions of fans. They would get millions of dollars. Now that's why money equals attention, alright? So monetized attention equals money. Because if you gain their attention and then monetize it, you will be making so much money. This is actually the best way to go about scaling your business, or just any information that you have. Now, I mentioned in one of my other videos, I believe, that there's this lady that teaches people how to sew. Now, this is the most basic sewing, probably sewing that your grandma does, okay? But she teaches it online. And it's, like I said, it's nothing fancy. And now she's living her dream life in Dubai. I'm just giving you that example to show you that this is so achievable for anyone. With almost any information that you know, this will work with. If you're good at cameras, if you're good at lighting, you'll have a key light. You'll have a backlit light at the back of your head so that you're more contrasted around you. Now, I don't know the exact terms of lighting, okay? But I do know a little bit about lighting. But if you're good at that, then sell it. people are actually interested in that information. There's no reason why you shouldn't sell it. So if you just actually put in the work to create this content, you will start seeing really good results. And if you do want to learn how to do this, and you want to know how to speed up the process and make more money faster, there's actually a link in the description below where you can book a call with me, and I teach young entrepreneurs how to make $10,000 to $100,000 per month by leveraging organic content and making money online. And I would go over your business and the exact strategies in place so you can learn from my mistakes, and not only mine, but Hassan's, who actually made $70,000. I learned from him as well. So I learned from a lot of people that are making $50,000 to $100,000 a month. And I have all that information, and I'm going to give it to you. So that's my information synthesis. You see, I learned how to leverage organic content, and now I'm selling it to you. Now, I'm fully transparent about that. That's how I make my money. But this is something that you should be doing as well. So I'll actually be by your side so that you can scale to these numbers. And I'll be with you until you get to these numbers as well. So if you're interested in that, go book a call below. And then it's a huge networking opportunity as well. You see, there's going to be so many other people that I'm going to be helping out. And I'm going to put you all in a community where you guys can discuss together exactly what you did with your business. And you'll learn from these people that are actually already making these high numbers. And I say this so much, but it's so important to learn from people who are at your level and above you. Because if you learn about the people that are above you, you know how they got to those numbers, okay? At one point, they were just people like you who are just stuck at a certain point, but then they know how to get past these numbers. So you'll be getting information from them as well as me, and we'll teach you how to scale to these numbers. And then there's no way that you can't scale to these numbers if you're learning from people who already did it.